I drive big wheels, make big meals, I'm a big deal. And I'ma hug this road until I'm up a meal. I ride good, I eat good, so I sleep good. And if it's money on the road, then put it on the wood. All gas, no brakes, this a paper chase. I ain't worried about no beef, but put it on the plate. And if it's crossing state lines, I gotta up the price. Up all day and night, this a trucker's life.
Truck cooking with the Truckerslife 7-8 Chili Verde chicken wings.
First thing I'm going to do is set the temperature. I'm going to set it to 250. There we go. We're going to take some oil. A little bit of oil. I don't want a whole bunch. We're gonna take some tomatillos. Where's my knife? Sorry. I'm gonna cut them in quarters. Okay, we're gonna put those in there. We're gonna put 3 whole quartered tomatillos. Gonna put some fresh onion, a half a thing of fresh shallot, and then we'll put the garlic in next. Let this stuff start cooking down, and we'll be back. We're gonna put some salt. Amount of salt. We roasting these puppies off. We got some white pepper, of course, you know, my pepper of choice. I don't have no jalapenos, but I do have my habaneros. We cook those down. That around. Alright, we got some garlic. Put some garlic in there. Damn lid. There it is. And of course, we're gonna mix it around some more. We're gonna let all this cook down. Ooh, you can smell the habaneros. But when it's done, we got my blender right here with the, you know, we got everything I need. Alright, y'all, we're back. And we're about to get this blended up. All this into the bulk, into the cup. We're gonna blend it, and then we'll be back. All right, we got some cilantro here. I'm just gonna rip it. got some fresh limes in my lime squeezer. I'm gonna juice these into here. Well, probably gonna juice like 2 of them into there. Hey y'all, the chicken only has salt, white pepper, paprika, and chili powder. And of course I put a little bit of oil in it to keep the chicken from drying out in the air fryer. So air fryer is coming out now, as y'all can see. Thank you again, JoJo. So y'all pretty much see what I'm making tonight. Making chili verde chicken wings. The sauce is right there, nice and creamy. Smells freaking delicious. I'm not gonna use all of it because I'm gonna make some more probably in a few days. I got some country ribs. I make some actual chili verde. Yeah. Alright y'all, we're gonna do something real quick. Take some of these out of here. Take about half of them out. And the other half we're gonna put aside too. Hold on. These we're gonna put right here. Oh, put on top of the lid, but hey, we got more lids right here. Keep all my stuff back here, y'all. And we're gonna take some of this sauce. And we're gonna pour it on top. That back down. Take the lid, of course, and we're gonna shake these things. We're gonna shake them. And we're gonna put them back in for a couple minutes. Just for a couple minutes. Okay, we're taking them out. Put them back in the bowl. We're gonna close this. Pause that real quick. We're gonna do it again. Except we're not putting these back in this time. We're just gonna toss them. Got a nice little kick from the habaneros. Got that citrus, that herby. Oh yeah. And y'all, boom. We're done, y'all. Boom. Chili Verde chicken wings. Made in a truck from scratch.
Stand.
I drive big wheels, make big meals, I'm a big deal. And I'ma hug this road until I'm up a meal. I ride good, I eat good, so I sleep good. And if it's money on the road, then put it on the wood. All gas, no brakes, this a paper chase. I ain't worried about no beef, but put it on the plate. And if it's crossing state lines, I gotta up the price. Up all day and night, this a trucker's life.